best students, better students. Try to be the best. And once again, sir, this in fact is a good opportunity for the students to step on, to sign, to fight in this present situation. I am from the background of a universally applicable education level. You know what is universally applicable curriculum? Anybody? Universally applicable curriculum. I am from the arts background. But these days, it's very difficult for you to survive if you don't have a skill education. So please concentrate on the skill education also, and at the same time, fight for the best. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, once again for your speech, for encouraging our students for their future. Thank you, sir. Tentang iyo sa iwe jingkren na I guest of honor ijuni ibreru I duty.
Shri Gabriel Watlang, Honorable MLA of Nongstoiñ, Shri Vikram Barak, MPS, Superintendent of Police, West Pacific District, my friend, Director IIT from Guwahati, the Shri Mohan Sharma, young professional, has been posted here in the Model Career Center here in Nongstoiñ, the Chief Lead Bank Manager, the parents, teachers, and my dear students. I'm also very happy to share these slides and share with you some thoughts. I will not utilize the 10 minutes slot given to me because it will be late in the second session. And I congratulate all the efforts our youth has been doing well in their exam, SSLC and HSLC this year. And as said by my colleague Vikram, this is a slate for you. You have to continue that. It's become a challenge once you become a couple with that position.